Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to erase Acura garage door opener codes. This will be a simple HomeLink tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is an Acura RDX, and whether you have the RDX or any other version of Acura with the HomeLink capabilities, which are the garage openers essentially, you can use this method to erase the codes. This is very important if you want to start new and reprogram it, or if you're selling your vehicle. If you're selling your vehicle, you should be erasing all the codes because you don't want someone else driving around your old vehicle with access to your garage. Okay, so very simple. If you look, there's likely going to be 1, 2, and 3. Kind of hard to see, but this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3 right here. Okay, what you want to do is you want to hold down on the outside of the 2 buttons. I'm going to try and get a better angle here so that it's a little bit easier to see. So I'm holding down 1 and 3 until you see the LED blink, and I'm going to hold it down for quite a number of seconds. So hold both of them down. You can see the LED is red right there. We're holding them down, continuing to hold them down, and we're waiting. Just keep holding them down. There you go. We're good to go. It's flashing green. At this point, we can release and we're good. Now, if I did it right and I push this number 1, that garage should not close. Okay, as you can see, I'm pushing number 1 and it's beeping because it doesn't have a code. It can't close. This number 1 used to be programmed to this garage, but now it's not working because I erased all the codes. That's it. That is how to erase or delete the HomeLink codes in your Acura. Whether it's an RDX or any other Acura that has a HomeLink, that's how to do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.